Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn Builder annotation from Lombok Library. So, as I said previously, typically we use Lombok API to reduce the boilerplate code, and Lombok API has few annotations. By using annotations, we can improve our code. One of the annotation is Builder. So typically builder we can use this annotation to create a constructor or create an object. So it will use builder design pattern. Normally we write a Java program with simple object creation that we can rewrite by using builder design pattern. So this is a simple Java program. Actually, I have used Spring Web Module application. So if you look at it, this is a simple car class. Car class has constructor and toString. So what we will do, car c equal to new car. Okay, is a parameterized constructor. So what we will do, I would say ID number is 1, make is Honda, as well as model equal to Civic. Simple. So I'm passing all these instance variables and creating an object. Let's call the toString method here. See, object has been created. So this is the traditional way of creating an object. So can I improve this code with Lombok? Yes. What I will do, I will say builder. So we need to import this particular annotation from Lombok, and I'm not going to call constructor like this. What I will do, car equal to car dot builder. Now when I say dot, we got all these methods. We can initialize those members by using parameters like id. I would pass id as 1, then model as Civic, and make as Honda dot build. See, so we have defining a constructor or a car object by using builder and passing id, model, make. So this is how we can use builder annotation. Let's run this application. The same thing. Let's run one more time. Oh God. So same thing is happening. So rather creating a constructor, calling a constructor, or creating an object, we are not using new. We are using car dot builder, class dot builder. By using builder, we are creating an object for the class. So this particular builder is available from the Lombok. This is how we can use builder to create an object for a class.